Make a great choice today with the 2024 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.